So, sorry for the bad lighting, I've got all the lights on here. I recorded a ton of videos, but literally nothing was successful because I don't have the correct camera equipment. And so let's try this. I opened my back seats and everything and moved the speaker so that hopefully, because there's still a hole in my boot, so hopefully you can hear sound through that. Okay, so I'm legit going to take this speaker thing out. As you literally can see, there's still a hole in my boot. There's the exhaust box. I need to fix that, still close it up. But that's how it looks from the top. You just open the gate. Yeah, I put a new exhaust into the car, and literally I forgot to put a flex into the exhaust, so the exhaust is still solid and you can still hear the vibrations. It sounds soft, like really soft, and that's a little bit of an issue for me because I like a car to have a little bit of sound, but it's not droning anymore. So I'm still gonna take out another box because I've got two boxes in the car, but it's still a bit too loud, too soft. So and I've got a power steering fluid leak, so if you hear a little hum, that's because my power steering fluid goes down. I still need to fix that. It started leaking out of the blue. It's actually quite soft. Like literally. Usually I would have to shout in the car to talk anything, but actually it's quite quiet over here. Anyways, I apologize for taking so long to post anything. I recorded a whole ass video, like I recorded everything, and I had a camera set up underneath the exhaust system and everything, but it was all a fail because the camera was mounted on the still sounds good though. The camera was mounted on one of the exhaust hangers, and I didn't think about the exhaust has movement on its own. So each time it started hitting the camera, and then it was a total disaster. I'll put in a clip of it. that sucks is that my accelerator pedal I still haven't fixed because I don't have the time or the energy to work with wiring. So I still have the same issues with my accelerator. Damn, I'm not gonna park there, that's way too small. This car isn't the tiniest thing ever. Let's park between these two. Anyway, I'll be back. I'm just going into the shop cafe. No more word, like the worst thing ever. I'm busy eating a mint sweet, and obviously with the mask on, as soon as I talk to the cashiers, then the vapor of the mint sweet, or whatever you want to call it, like literally blows through the mask into my eyes. Now it looks like I'm flipping high on crack or something. Oh well. Let me switch my lights on. Yeah, I know. The car still says check your engine oil level because the Lexus engine doesn't have a oil leveling sensor. Let me wait for this guy. Where are you going? Okay. Oh Lord, you get out of here with my low bumper. That's gonna be fun. With my accelerator pedal, I still have 50% acceleration, so I don't have max acceleration. It's frustrating because when I'm like driving and I'm in traffic and I have to accelerate quickly, then I can't. Then the car's like, okay, we're going to build speed slowly. I don't know what, I wired my accelerator pedal exactly like the diagram, and the pedal didn't work at all whatsoever. So I was like, okay, let me try something else, and I just swapped two wires that was exactly the same color around, and it started working, and it only accelerates halfway. So I don't know, is my wiring wrong on my pedal, or is the engine in limp mode, which I don't think is true because I can still drive my normal speeds. But I don't know, I'm not that smart. I'll figure it out one day, hopefully. And the worst thing happened, I was driving in town and I literally went through the biggest pothole ever. It was actually like a drain, but the road was starred over and the drain was still low. I don't know how to explain it. Lower than the road. And I hit it, and since then I've got a little bit of a vibration in the left front, so I'll probably think that my wheels are out of balance, so I'll have to get that done again. We literally had the worst roads ever in the I hope that was entertaining enough for y'all. I'm going to take my car back to the exhaust place and get a flex put into it, and I've got to exhaust it, that's fun. So hopefully I can get that sorted out. Damn, my windshield is so dirty. That's why unfortunately I can't do any videos of me revving the car too high, because the accelerator pedal just does its own thing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, it helps out literally a lot. Thank you.